So on this note, I want to say welcome to every one of us. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the Richvision Academy educational and copy trade platform. I'm telling you, this is the first meeting. This is the first meeting ever since we've been making preparation for this program. And I want to congratulate you that you are at the launch of this novel idea and project. Now, when I say at the launch, we've been doing quite a number of things. Many of you recall, and don't let me say many, maybe there are a few of us that were in the program then. We started this sometimes in 2022, I said 2022, 2021. We started sometimes 2021 when we started our copy trade. And it was so wonderful then that as at that time, man, we were doing about 40% return on investment for people. 40% return on investment every month. It was fantastic. And we were doing a profit sharing of about 60-40. But unfortunately, things went wrong. But thank God, in our system, we've always done it that you can't lose all your money. No, it's not possible. So we made some things. We had to go back to the drawing board, worked it. In the process, did we lose money? Oh my. We lost so much money, pumped in money. There was a time we had to travel to Dubai to go and meet some brokers, to go and do a lot of things. But everything. But today, all story cut short. Today, I'm excited that right here now, we have what we've been waiting for. I'm tempted to sing one song. They say, what we're waiting for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. Well, that is me. I'm so excited about it because it's a big thing for us. It's something that is so exciting. So to cut the chase, for those of you that maybe this is the very first time you'll be hearing me, because I'm talking as if everybody here knows me. Well, that is me. But my name is Olushola Popola, a fellow of the Institute of the Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, an investment advisor, a life coach, and the CEO of Richvision Global Alliance, under which we have the Richvision Global, the Richvision Cooperative, we have the Richvision Academy, we have the Richvision Wellness, and everything. It's good. It's a growing conglomerate, So we thank God. It's been a kind of wonderful time. And I have some powerful faculties around me, partners that have been moving, pushing these dreams together. I have in the course of this, you get to know many of them: Mr. Kulema Jekudomi, Bishop Raj, Caleb Odofi, and Susan, quite a number of us that we've been working together to make this dream come alive. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are at the peak of it, and we celebrate you for coming here. Please take your time, listen to everything that we've got to say, and make up your mind. It is not in you getting the information alone, but what action will you take to lead to that transformation to get the kind of result that you really want? Are we getting results? It's undeniable. We getting our results. We ventured into different things, but one thing we never did was we never left our calling, and our calling is the financial market. So we've done it, and we've tried as much as possible, as God give us grace, to be able to minimize as much for people. Now, let's go to it. What is this all about? And what should you be expecting? What is this all about, and what should we be expecting? And I'm going to be giving those of us that are here some benefits, because you are among the first set. Now, Richvision Academy, it's all about empowering people financially. How do you empower? We educate and we empower you. When you educate somebody, it's another thing for you to show the person. When we do life coaching, we tell you, oh, you have to do something, you have to add skill to yourself. What is the formula for success? Success is what? Desire plus skill times faith. Now, a lot of people have the desire, because God will grant the desires of your heart. The next thing is, skill. Now, what skill do you have? What is a millionaire skill? You want to become a millionaire. What is a millionaire skill that you have? So we found that one of the best skill in the world, I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, one of the best skill that you can acquire in the world today is the skill of trading the financial money market, the financial market. See, take it on the back. I tell you, if there's anything you want to teach, if there's anything you want your children to know, is this skill. Hey, please hold on, pause. Many of you have had different difficult experiences. Let me share my own personal experience. So don't say, oh, this man is coming from this. When I left the company I was working with, I had good money. I was working with the bottling company and I was paid good money. Every money that I ever had, I pumped into what we call the financial market. And I did a lot of things. I was trading so much, so well. I'm talking about 2005, 2006, 7, 8. You know, the advent when everybody was trading Forex. Then I was trading the futures and equity market, the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Dow Jones. Those were what we were trading. But this particular day, when, you know, you go to the market, you do $1,000 in a day. I'm telling you, it was that good. Well, because of the size of the portfolio. But this particular day, I was teaching. Some of you there are some people on this call that knew some of us then. We have trainings at Sheraton Hotel, 3 days training that people are paying 150,000 naira for our trainings and things. But that particular day, please, somebody needs to hear this. Listen to this. So don't think when we come to talk about something, it's not all bed of roses. There are serious challenges. That particular day, I was sitting down in the office and I was training. A friend came in from Canada and I was training him on how to trade this market. And we were doing well. I don't know how many of you remember February 2008 when the markets crashed. I don't know how many of you were along. If you have been in the market since then, if you type a 777, let me know whether you're there. I was trading, and suddenly, there was a sharp turn in the market. Things that I tell students not to do. Things that I tell, when you are trading, put your stop loss. When you are trading, do this, money management. In my very eye, ladies and gentlemen, my trade went $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I was sitting down under the AC, inside the AC, is it inside or under? And I was sweating. 25,000 was gone. 30,000 was gone. I'm not talking of 30,000 naira, 30,000 US dollars, 2008, 40,000. By the time it was getting to 45, I looked up, I looked down, I said, God, will I close this thing like this? What is remaining in the portfolio? The portfolio was about 75,000 US dollars. $50,000 had already gone. What was I going to do? I was expecting that the market, when that thing happened, I was checking what happened. Was it news? Is there something? But it was the market fall, that period. I don't know. Those of you that, yes, I can see somebody said it was in the market. It will say it was in the market there. It was a very devastating day. Ladies and gentlemen, within the space of 2 hours, read my lips, 2 hours, 50,000 US dollars was gone. When people come to tell me, they say, I've lost money in this market. I say, how much did you lose? They say, hey, I put $1,000. I will just slap inside my belly. $1,000. And by the time I now say close all orders. Unfortunately, boom, nothing was happening. The internet, during those times, when you are, that time, this internet up and down. I carried Okada with my laptop, enter cyber cafe, trying to close. By the time I was able to close the trade, $50,000 was gone. I went back to the office, closed my laptop. How I drove home, I can't know. I just got home, I went to sleep. And you know one thing with me, he giveth his beloved rest. When I'm troubled, I sleep. When I woke up, I said, let me check where the market was. The market had dived down in my direction. And I would have doubled the market, my portfolio that day. What caused it? Fear, greed. Fear, greed. These are two things that kill traders in this market. Since then, I said I wasn't going to trade this market again. I was going to do it, but later something happened, and I said, the thing will make this thing carry this money from my hand. I will get my money back. But this time with proper education. Thank God for a company called International Markets Live. When they came in, I began to do the academy. I discovered, I said, all these things that I'm knowing now, I didn't know them that time. So I saw the reason why I lost. Lack of proper education. Oh my God, that was, when you say that thing turned, when you say it turned somebody life 360, 360 is you are facing here, you turn back and you face here. He turned it 180 degrees because I was facing front like this. He turned my life back like this. Because everything, when I say everything, I wasn't withdrawing money. I was compounding my money, I wanted to grow to $500,000 and things because I had a lot of plans. And I thought I had mastered the market. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why tell you this story? A lot of us, we have great expectation in this market. A lot of us, we have great things in this market. But it is not always the way people paint it to be. It is not always the way they tell you it is. Somebody will come and tell you, I made $1,000. The day he made loss, he won't tell you. The day he blew his account, he won't tell you. He will tell you the sweet part so that you bring your money and he will continue because he has run out of money for experiment. So he will tell you the sweet part, then you bring your money. Then he will start another experiment with your money. Then by the time your money is gone, he will tell you, sorry, the market, the thing blew. Now that's the language, the thing blew, he blew. I don't know. Let me know. If you're in the house and you've had that before, that the accounts blow before, put 555 in the chat box. Let me see you put 555. If you've had that before, or maybe it was you that did it yourself, or they did it on your behalf, and they say the account blow, that means the money gas, the money disappear. You put a 555 in the chat box. Let me see. Put a 55. Let me know. But maybe I'm the only one having this story. Okay, wow. Oh my God. So thank you for being sincere. When you know your sin, you know where you have failed, you can always start over and over and over again. Success is not when you say somebody has failed. No, somebody said success is you moving from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. Oh my God. Failure. You say success is what? Moving from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm, because you have your eyes on the goal. You failed. Every rich person, everybody that is successful, they failed. But what they do is when they fail, they learn from what they did. When they fail, they learn again. They learn again until boom, the success is staring them in the face. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you here, and you that want to start this journey with us, I want to encourage you. Make up your mind. You are in it for a long haul. There's no shortcut to success. If there's shortcut, somebody like me in this forex market, I've already reached there since. On my system here, I have different EAs, different indicators that somebody will say, this one a sure banker, this one a banker. Everything they give na banker, but they carry money go bank. But now, ladies and gentlemen, make up your mind you want to study. Is there a price for study? Yes. When you study, there's a cost for it. If you say, I don't want to spend anything, oh my God, you went to school. Some of us are paying children's school fees now. You are paying your children's school fees Maybe primary school, there are some primary schools now, we pay, how much they pay? You pay about 200,000 naira for them to go and be watching band in the class. You pay that kind of money for them to go and watch television, and as if you don't have your DSTV in the house. But for primary school, secondary school, you are paying 500. University, you are paying over 1 million for 4 years course that does not guarantee that they will get a job. It does not guarantee that they will get a job. You yourself, you have spent money on your education. Now, they tell you there's a skill set that can make you millions. And then I don't know where the thinking is coming from. You want to have it free. Lawful, just like that. How about? It doesn't happen anywhere. There's no free lunch anywhere. If you want free lecture, you can go on the internet. Do you understand me? Free lecture, free training. On the internet, there are different lectures that people can, I'm advising them, but it's the wrong one. I'm not advising you, I'm just telling you. Different lectures, because some of us, we thought that was what we could do. And we went online, we were doing all those things. But if you want to succeed, they say those that have mentors will not lack methods. Those that have what? Mentors will not lack methods. Can we teach you from where we have failed before so that you don't fail again? So this is what made us to bring together the Richvision Academy, the educational and the copy trade. And one of the challenges that we've had is having good brokers that can support us. Because it's one thing for you to be a good trader. It's another thing for the brokers to support you. A broker wants to do his business. Brokers want to make their money. So many times you trade and the trader is taking an opposite trade against you. We have different kinds of traders. The A-book traders, the B-book traders. They operate P&L. Don't let us go into all those. So when you are trading, their own calculation is to make you fail and lose your money. But based on this, in Richvision, I think about 5 of us, that's I, Mr. Kunlema Jekudomi, Bishop Raj, Caleb, and Dr. Makide, we traveled to Dubai to go and talk to some brokers, just to help us get a good brokerage that can support our dream and our vision. Oh, we had several meetings, but everything was not pointing well. But as God will have it, coming back to Nigeria, under our very nose, he said that thing that you are looking for, God has brought it to you. We got a very good trading broker that understands our vision, that understand our goal. The company is called Raise Effect. And when I saw the name Raise, I said, yes, it's time for our people to raise. It's time for the people to be lifted. So if you have a good vision, you have a hand that can raise you up. And that's how we went into partnership with this particular organization. I'll be giving you the download. Now, I want you to get the concept of what we're doing. We're going to be having several meetings after now, so that you can get this. The platform is an educational and a copy trade platform. Educational and copy trade. I want to beg of you, please educate yourself. If there's anything you can do for yourself, is to educate yourself, empower yourself. With this skill set, you will put food continuously on top of your table and your children. I don't know how people are surviving nowadays with the current economy. I don't know. My wife was in the market and we called and said, normally a basket of tomato that we buy for, is it 20,000 naira? Go to the market, a basket of tomato, 75,000 naira. 75. I couldn't believe my eyes. Fuel. I thought it was just like in the old days. I went to the fuel station. We were coming back from a program on Saturday, and I thought it was just like the normal thing. They say, I say, fill up, fill up, fill up. When the guy put nozzle for the thing, brrr, I look up like this, 15,000 already. And the thing was no shaking on the meter as if nothing has happened. 15, I say, wait. Ladies and gentlemen, things have changed. And you need this extra income. You owe it as a duty to yourself and to your family to go the extra mile to generate the extra income. I don't know how people are surviving. I don't know. Without earning in foreign currency. In this, my own business, if I do a trade today, I make $100, which I have done today. $100, that's about 75,000 naira. I can decide that I want to go and buy the basket of tomato. Does it cost me? But which work? How many work are people doing that is paying them that kind of money now? Ladies and gentlemen, when I was learning this skill set, I never knew this kind of time would come. When many of us were learning this skill set, we never knew. Now, today, we can conveniently spend dollars in our own country. Anything they are calling the foil and things, it doesn't touch me by the grace of God. Because I know He set us for this time. Ladies and gentlemen, is the economy hitting hard on you? I want you now, make up your mind. The government can never be better. See, is a kind of prayer that I don't know people that pray that prayer. In most cases, what becomes better, you pray that you become better. It's people that become better, not the economy. Do you understand? And it's a blunt truth, but people don't like it. They say, why are you talking like that? But I'm telling you the obvious truth. Now, pray that you become better. It has been so since the time of the Israelites. Starvation entered their town, even though they call themselves God people. So go and read all those, go and read your Bible very well. Understand what I'm saying? Now, what are we doing? We have this academy and we have the copy trade. One of the things that we've seen with our people when we are training, a lot of people have passed through Richvision Academy training and things. And one of the things that we've discovered is that when people are learning to trade, before 1 month, Oga, I don't sabi the thing now. We say trade this thing for 6 months before you go live. This man trades for 1 month and he says, Oga, I don't sabi. I want to go and fund my live account. How can you learn Forex trading in 1 month? Some people will come and tell you, in 1 month, I will teach you all you need to know. Teach waiting. Technical analysis. Are you going to teach the psychology of trading? Do you know how long it takes for you to be able to understand the psychology of trading? Even people that have traded for years, psychology of trading is still affecting them and they are losing. Many people lose, not because these indicators are not working. Ordinary MACD is making people money. Some people are looking for the best tool. There's no best tool anywhere. The best tool is your psychology and your money management skill. You're going to see it in some of our courses there. The best tool for a trader. Not anybody tell you, it's ICT, it's money master, market maker, it is Bollinger, it is you run a tool. There's no one we never use. Without proper money management and proper psychology of trading, you can never be a profitable trader. So, what is the solution to this? Now, we have put together the academy that will take you anything between 1 to 6 months. 1 to 6 months. And we've done it in such a way that you can repeat it, check it out, watch it again, and then we have a community where when you have gone through it, you have questions, you can drop it in the community, we share. It's going to be a community of traders that you learn this skill. Which skill you want transfer for your pikin? Carpenter, they transfer carpentry skill to your pikin. What thing you want transfer? As a chartered accountant, can I transfer my certificate to my son? But this skill. So once you've been able to go through that, Now, what we've done is this. In the process of you doing this, we have the copy trade, which is very important now. Pay attention. What is the copy trade about? Now, over the years, we've been developing some artificial intelligence, EA, expert advisors, and our own skill. This is not just expert advisor and it's before we say just put the EA. So I say, just let me sell you an EA. EA, we just be trading EA, we just be trading EA, Guinea. Also straight. We use EA and we use our own because you need to guide EA. Look at what it's doing. Because at times, market situation that was used, a market situation that was used to design a particular EA, that market situation can change. And the EA that has been profitable will just start giving you loss. I'm sure some of you here have experienced it before. You say that EA blew my account. But when they won't sell them to you, the thing show profit. But when the user, the thing blew account, market situation changed. So what we've done now is this. Please pay attention. Whilst you are going through the academy, we have a copy trade platform. Now, the copy trade platform will enable you to connect your own account. Please, in Richvision, we don't collect money from you. We want to help you to trade and things. No. It's a completely 100% decentralized platform. 100% decentralized platform. When I say decentralized, what I mean is that your money is not with Richvision. You will open your account with the broker, fund your account with the broker. You have access to your money 100%. You have access to your money 100%. I believe you can see. If you can see my screen, just type yes, please. If you can see my screen, type yes. If you can see my screen, type yes.
Yes.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. So here we are. Now, we said trading in the international market could be very rewarding, but it depends on your skill and experience in the market. Richvision Academy provides an opportunity to earn while you are learning and building your skills in the market. You can ride on the experience of the team by connecting your account to our automated trader. Now, what are the things that you stand to gain here? What are the core values here? Control. You have 100% control on your account. No transfer of cash to strategy account manager. You are in control. One thing that you must know, ladies and gentlemen, once your money leaves your hand, it is out of your control. I'm giving somebody to help me to trade my money. Once the money leaves your account to another person, it is out of your control. If you are going for an investment, one of the best way of investing is what? Have control of your funds. And this is what we are doing here. You have control. You will put your money with the broker. The broker is registered in Nigeria. The trader and the broker is registered in Nigeria here. Richvision is not a broker. We don't have any license to collect anybody's money. Let nobody say, I am from Richvision, pay into Richvision's account. No, sir. We don't have that authority. The people that have the authority to collect money are brokers. And of course, you can't trade your money without putting it in the broker. You can't put your money in your bank account and say you are trading your money. Now, but with the broker, you know the thing, and regulated broker, if you put your money with a broker in the morning, you want to collect it back in the afternoon. I didn't buy Pampers for my children and I need to buy the Pampers. I need to, go and withdraw your money. No broker, no licensed broker can ever deny you that they won't ask you, but you only deposited, you can't, and then we will charge you. Brokers, no broker will charge you anything for withdrawing your money. It's your deposit by law. So If we make profit for you, if you make profit, you can withdraw your money. Now, number 2, convenience. Easy in and easy out. No hindrances to withdrawals or addition. Now, when we trade, when there's profit on your account, boom, you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw it. You don't need permission. Richvision, can I go and withdraw? They hear me great. Okay, Mr. Kule is there. Okay. All right, sorry for that stop. So convenience, easy in, easy out. You don't need permission from anybody to withdraw your money. If we make more profit for you in the money, you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw. There's security. Now, this is very key. Security, 50% protection of investment, maximum due diligence in risk management by strategy account manager. Now, listen to this. When we say 50% protection, you see, when we are trading, when our expert advisors or our traders are trading, we are not using your money. We are trading our own money, And anything that happens to our money will happen to your money. It means if my account grows by 10%, maybe I funded my account with $5,000, you funded your account with $500. If my account grows by 10%, your account will grow by 10%. If I lose, people know they won't hear that kind of one. If I lose 10% of my account, your account also will lose 10%. Please, life is about what? Profit and loss. You will know they like to hear loss. Life is about what? Profit and loss. I want to explain this here. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody is promising you, oh, this is a perfecto system. Life, the only place, you see, if you go to theater now, you will see them, when they put heartbeat of a man, how does it go? Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So up and down, up and down. Profit today, loss, profit, loss. But the thing is that the graph is going up. The graph is going up. So you are making more profit. The day you see they put this Tamogini, this whatever, this their heartbeat, and you see the person, something is going like cha-cha, 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 and the thing becomes straight like this. As people want life to be straight, you just be hearing, the man has crossed over to the other side. It is only in the grave that life is straight. They lie down straight in the grave. But in real life, what am I trying to say? I'm not scaring you. There are ups, downs. But one thing that we have done is this. In our trading system, to give you assurance, in our trading system, there's an automatic protection limit for our system with our brokers. It is not us now, even with our brokers. We have it on our systems and this, but our brokers are provided an automatic bailout. Why do we need that automatic bailout? Now, it can happen. We are trading. We don't control the market. We don't have power over the market. We do our analysis and take our trade. But let's say something happens. There's an earthquake somewhere. There is a war somewhere. Something happened. Or let's say even the trader himself, he wanted to buy, he wanted to click buy, he clicked sell. Or the only something, and we can't put whatever. If anything happens, what will happen? And the market goes against us. Whatsoever your money is as at that time, 50% of it is automatically protected. The market, the system will cut it off. Boom, boom, straight. Now, what it means is this. Let's say I started with $500 now. They traded. My money becomes 600. What is half of 600? Is 300. Next tomorrow, they trade again. Now, my money is now 900. What is half of 900? 450. The system will be protecting 50-50 as your money is increasing. It will be protecting 50, 50, 50, 50. If there's anything, it will cut it off at that protected amount. So you can still go home. Sometimes we don't pray it happens, but I remember something like that had happened before. So we warn you and tell you that it could happen. But the thing is this is our money. Some of you are putting $500, some of you will be putting $500, $1,000. We have good money inside this thing. We have what? When I say good, very, very, very good money that we cannot afford to go 50%. So that's why we manage our trade, manage our risk to the highest level. I hope you understand. I hope you get it. So you can be sure of that. I had to explain that security aspect because that's one thing people say, are you sure? Can I lose? Is it not possible to lose my money? With our platform, it is not possible for you to come and tell us you lose all your money. I'm not saying there won't be loose trade. There are some profitable trades. There are some losing trades. But in the long run, you become. Now, what is the cost? Now, look at this place. The annual cost of joining this academy is $100. Is $100. But this is not a monthly subscription. It is a one time in the year. One time. Now, what you are paying for is not the copy trade now. It's the academy part of it. And I'm going to tell you what we have done. I'm going to share something with you on what we have done. Let me stop this share. On our system, there's another site that we have that we currently run this program. Now, these are sites. This is one of our training sites before we brought this up. I hope you can see. On this site, look at, this is the academy. We have the platinum, we have the gold, the platinum, the diamonds. Are you getting? And if you want to be part of this, normally, this is what we do. We sell this on Udemy. We have our courses on Udemy and all the stuff. And if you want to sign up, buy this course, this one costs you about $300. If you go to the site now, you can buy it right now. For 2 months, training. What does it cover? Forex education, cryptocurrency education, binary options, that's high frequency FX, Forex mastery class on pivot. There's one particular strategy that new people can do. It's called pivot strategy. Guys, you need to know this pivot strategy. You will be making money to like this. I'm telling you. Now, we have Forex masterclass or Rhombus. There's a strategy we call the Rhombus strategy. For those of you that are looking for profit, we've looked at which strategy can work. All these are based on price actions. And then you will be in a group. We have 2 months mentorship and you have free signals. Now, the other package is $600, which is 3 months. You have all these, but this gives you 3 months mentorship. Then we have one, which is the diamond, which is 6 months, which is where we expect people to be. Now, this, please don't, before you start saying, no, this is not what you are, I'm showing you what we are converting to this academy. Now, this diamond is $1,500 for 6 months. Forex education, crypto, this. But in addition to this, we have Forex masterclass on institutional order flow. Those of you that are trading, you understand what I'm saying, the institutional order flow. Here we took the ICT concept, a lot of the ICT concept that you've been hearing and things, you hear fair value gap, order block and things, liquidity. This is covered so much in this place. And we have a free trading software that you get here. Now, but for you now, we have now come to say, you that you are joining the Richvision Academy for this course, the 300, the 500, the 300, the 600, you are not going to be paying that kind of thing. It is just $100 for the mentorship and everything. No subscription, and you enjoy the service. I think this is good enough. So how does it work? Now, what you need to do for those, we are not there yet, but the normal flow, I'm going to tell you the bonanza that we have. Just stick with me to the end of this program now, and I'm telling you, for being on this call, I'm going to be telling you one big advantage you are going to enjoy right now. So you will open your trading account with our partner broker and fund your account with minimum of $200. That is, when you have paid your subscription to join our system, you pay your 100,000 annual membership fee, then you fund your trading account with $200 minimum. If you like, you fund it with $50,000, $100,000, anyone, but the minimum is $200. Then you register on our platform and connect your trading accounts to our strategic trading account. We trade our strategy trading account, and your own trading account replicate or mirrors the trading activities on our strategy trading account. The profit and loss in our account is also reflected in your account in same ratio. Remember, I said the profit and loss. What you see in my account is what will appear in your account. All right. Now, let us help you make passive income. You become financially free when your passive income exceeds your expenses. Now, risks and benefits trading the market there. So you must know that. Now, but Shola, what is you people's benefit? Are you just doing this thing free of charge? What is the benefit that you people are going to be gaining? Now, the thing is this: if you don't make money, if we don't make money for you, we can't make money. If we don't make money for you, it's a win-win situation. And here's this: let's say you fund your account with $200, or we fund your account with $1,000. In a month, we trade and we do 30% returns in a month. 30% of $1,000 is $300. There's what we call the profit sharing ratio, which is 70-30. Who will collect 70? You, the owner of the fund, and then our own organization will take 30%. I'm going to even tell you what we are still going to do with this 30%, because we are in the process of empowering millions of people. Now, that means you account holder, when we make $300 for you in a month, you are going to collect $210, while the company collects $90. If it's $200 and so on like that. So here, our target is to empower over 100,000 families within the next 12 calendar months. That is our target. The richest people in the world, they think of building networks. Everyone else think of working. Now, before I even go into that, let me show you something here. Because somebody will say, but this thing, is it truly profitable? I've done a screenshot of the performance of our EA, of the EA. I told you we are using EA and manual trading. Now, please pay attention. Those of you that are traders here, you will understand this. You'll be able to understand this. I purposely cut off some things there so that I know if some of you see now, they are going to, because we had to put this thing on MQL, my MQL server, so that it can generate people. We can always have a report. So it's not, this thing is profitable, this thing is profitable. How profitable is it? But this one will show you what it is. So for those of you that understand the market, we plugged it into this account. Look at the reliability of our strategy, guys. Look at, can you see this place? Please, that person, whether you gave your something to your kid, this guy's drawing lines on the screen. Huh? Look at reliability of this strategy. It's green. If it is not reliable, you will see red. Those of you that are used to this stuff. Now you see 35 weeks. Actually, this thing is not that the account has been trading for 35 weeks. I will show you when the account started trading. But that's when we opened the account. You know, the computer will capture when the account was opened. We are not connecting people on it. That's why, oh, sorry. What happened there? Okay, that's why you see zero stuff here. Now, the equity there on this one of the strategy account is 188. Profit here is 172. Do you understand? the initial time before we started testing the strategy, everything is clear here. I will show you. Look at in balance. Balance on the account now is 228. Life money, not demo. Initial deposit of 1,001. Withdrawals of 1,002. I get it. So trading. Look at this. Can you see total returns on the growth on this account? 52%. 52% is not over 35 weeks, sir. I'm going to show you. Look at our trades are open. Look at this. See the trades. This one as at yesterday, because we don't trade, it's not every day and things. So as at Friday and things, you see some of the trades printed using very, very minimum lot sizes. I'm talking, some of you don't understand it. Don't worry, you don't need to understand it. Yeah, but I'm doing this because of those people that are traders who want to. So look at it. Look at this place. Algo, this is 97 hour. These are EA now. That's when you see algo trading. 97% of this trade was taken by our algorithm. Maximum drawdown, we had about 36. And that 36 was done by a manual trade that was imputed, which we're trying another tool that caused this particular one. If not, the highest you will have seen is about 15% drawdown. Profit, 69% profitable trade. Loss trade, 30%. Now, that is this. Now, latest traders 4 days ago, I did a screenshot just today for you to see. All right. Now, you look at this. I'm looking at the statistics of the trade. Profits, we have 359 profitable trades and loss 160 losing trade. Best trade profits, we had 85. Worst trade is $41 and so on like that. Average holding is 9 hours. All right. Now, somebody say, is it in 35 weeks that you made only 52%? Now look at this. Look at this. You know, I told you when the account was open, this is the chart. When the account was open, it was traded at a point we stopped it. But when we started this new chart, this new one started in April. Oh, maybe in the process of cutting this, I'd cut off the months. It started in the month of April. Between April and now, look at the graph that the system has drawn. That is what the trading days is not 73. Trading days is not 73. April, May, June, July, May, June. It's not up to 73 days, I know. So the trading days, look at the chart as it has gone, steady growth. That's where that's how we got this 52%. I'm showing you from my MQL file so that it's not a writing, so that you can have confidence on what we are showing you. So this is what the trading record is looking like, guys. We don't trade every day. Monday, sometimes Mondays, because markets, we use some market maker strategies and things. So Mondays we might not trade. We depend. But the important thing is this. You see a steady growth in your finance. Now, because it has been enhanced, our average profit will be anything between 15% to 30% in a month after the profit share. After the profit share. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that want to put in your account just for trading alone, you just want, let me attend the academy and be trading. That is the story for you. 70-30, when we make the profit, you get your money. If you want to withdraw it, if you want to compound it, it's your own. Now, the other aspect for those of you that really want to break free and have serious money in this financial time is we added the affiliate system to it. You know that even banks, Binance, every organization now grows with what? Affiliate marketing. So what we've done is this. If you show other people this platform and they come to connect their accounts with us, let's say you just have only 5 of your friends that say, okay, they want to, oh boy, I'm making money. And it will be sheer wickedness for you to be making money in this economy and you keep quiet. God will ask you a question. So here, let's say you have 5 persons who, let's just say this is not the big deal. The big deal is the one I've explained, but this one is for those of us that want to go the extra mile. Somebody like me, somebody like people that want to help other people. You want to grow your organization. Now, for any time, take for instance, you have 5 persons who funded their account with $200. Do you know that you can make $6? They funded their account with $1,000. You can make $300, $30. The more people you have, this is not as you are making. You see that 30%. Look at this 30% here, because some of you say, 30. See, Richvision is not even keeping this 30%. This 30% is what we are sharing to people. If those of you that are familiar with Richvision, you know that our business is helping people. How much money do you want to carry? Go where? So we collect our own 30% is what we are sharing again to people that will be working and helping us to spread the stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is good. If you think this is good, just type good in the chat box. If you think this is good, maybe you only have $200, but there's one of your uncle, your aunt, he has $10,000. They be big people. You can't go and meet them and be begging them for money. Show them. Don't collect money from them. Show them how to open the account. They will open the account with your link. We'll be trading. They will make money. They won't even know that you are making money from the money they are making, because they are already making their own money. So that is this. This one is still going to be explained to us further. All right. So now we have our ranking and things like this. So these ones are going to be done. Tonight is not the night for me to explain this. Tonight is just to show you what we have. This one is for people that want to do the extra. All right. For those people, there's what you call the manager's rank. You will have travel trip with us to Dubai. Sponsored. Our brokers will be sponsoring our activities. In fact, it's going to be these brokers, wonderful set of people. They raise FX. We're regulated and their platform is wonderful. Now, this is a car that we've discussed with them also. People that bring more people. You won't buy car for this period. Don't waste your money to go and buy car. Build a business. Rich Akada with Raise FX. Well, we give you this one. Easy. And you are making money. Now, how do you get started? Now, to get started, there's a link that we are going to be sending to you to do your registration. Now, this is where I want to reward those of you that have joined us on this call now, and you are still here. I want to reward you here now. I want to give you your reward. Thank you for being here the past 30, 40, 50 minutes. All right. I told you that to register on this platform is how much? $100. But for you that is here now, we are giving room for between now and next week. Between now and next week. For everyone, we are not opening our portals for registration yet to the program. We want to do this because some people will say, the thing that I want to do, I want to test it first. Let me be sure that the thing is working first. So what we have decided to do is this, guys. For every one of you that want to be part of this right now. Sorry. I'm getting a message. Let me just be sure. Because I don't want to say what I'm not sent to say. Let me be sure that it has been, that part I'm saying is approved already. Okay. All right. Now, between now, if you open what you are going to do now, for the next 2 weeks, between now and the ending of this month, if you fund your account You fund your account. We are going to connect your account to the trader's account. And you know what? There will be no profit sharing. Any money we make for you now till the end of this month, it is yours 100%. I think that is good. Is it good? Let somebody put a fire emoji. If you fund your account, you are not even paying registration fee now. You are not doing, all you are doing right now is to just plug your account and get connected. We will connect your account with our own account. We are going to trade for you free of charge. Free of charge. Yes, I can see somebody say, fine. Now, what does this mean? Because some people will say, oh, how can I get the $100? How can I? If you put in your money now, guys, watch this. I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to show you something. It's not straight jacket, but it works. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Pay attention here. What can happen? Let's look at what can happen. What can happen? Where's this? Okay, look at this. Guys, just pay attention here. See this. Let's say this is what we call the compounding table. You open your account right now, and then you fund your account with $200. $200. And presently, we are doing an average of 2% in a day. I think that's what we're doing. Sometimes we do 5% and so on. But please, I've not told you that we are doing 2% daily. I've not, averagely in a month, 15 to 30%. We have been consistent. So don't hold there, but you said we are going to be doing 2. I no talk am here. We will be profitable over the period. Some days will be great, some days will be very great, and some days will just be good. All right. So here, let's say you started with $200 now, and you have just like today, 2% profit on what we've done. For the next 150 days, guys, you reinvest the money. You are not taking it out. No weekend. If you start today, June 12th, let's calculate it. How much will your money be? That ordinary, look at that ordinary $200 by the next 6 months, which is around 8th of January, 2024. This $200 is about this amount. This amount. It grew to this. And if you remove your capital, 200, this is 3,699. Let's say we have taken 30% of it. You take 70% of it. You are still talking about $2,000 something. Every day, this is what something will grow. This is how it will grow. Your $200, 4% today, your money will grow to 204, 2% again, boom, 208. Check, small. Most of the time it's bigger than this, but I don't want to come promising you something. It's better I tell you we are doing low, then you see big results. But this is how we go. In the next 6 months, look at what your money can be. Look at, for those of you that are going to be doing it out of, let's say you go to fund your account now, by the ending of this month, look at, by 30th of June, look at it here, 30th of June, your money has become $263. You can withdraw $63 and add some small money and pay your annual subscription. We purposely did this to see how to help the people to get started. Do you understand? No matter how much we try to be nice, I think the nicest thing, is there anything like that we can do, is to tell you now that we will be trading for you free of charge. No deduction, no profit sharing in this first till the end of June. After the end of June, everybody will be made to register. And by that time, if you don't pay the stuff, then we cannot continue trading for you. I hope we all got this. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is fantastic. I don't know, you got this. Now, see, the more money you put in, let's say if you do it just $1,000, if you do $1,000, you calculate it, look at what your $1,000 can become. Your $1,000 can grow like this. I'm not giving any guarantee, but I tell you with all sense of responsibility, we will work. If our own account is growing, definitely your own account will grow. Look at $1,000 growing to almost 19,000, just doing 2% in a day. We try to be consistent with it. If we hit a loss, fine, we will try to make it up the next day, and so on and so forth. All right. So we try to show you this, and I told you the system is so transparent for every one of us. Are you saying that even if, okay, let me see. Let me quickly take the questions there before we go. Let me take the questions. All right. But after June ending, will I still pay the $100 academy registration? Yes. With this one now, with this trading, you are not accessing the academy. We are not. You saw the academy something. I showed you the site of the academy. We are in partnership with this organization, and courses that they sell for $300, for $600, for $1,500, we are giving it access to our members at $100 per annum. That one they pay $300 or $600 per annum. So for now, what you will have access to is for you to generate money. What we want to do is for you to be able to generate, for those of you that need it anyway. There are some of you that are ready to pay that one now, and go on. But let's test the system together. Do you understand? We want to test the system together. We have shown you our result, but they say the taste of the pudding is in the eating. Is that not? So you connect your account. This one that Mr. Shola said, connect your account and see. No profit sharing. You are not paying anything. Just register, connect your account and see. Now, I'm going to be giving you a link to do your registration. You do your registration. Once you are done, you fund it. The moment you fund it, we connect you. All right? Okay. All right. Let me see. Not hearing. Are you saying that even if you have less than $100, you can subscribe to? For now, not. See, less than 100. Let me tell you the truth. Except you are looking for somebody I want to collect your money. I don't have anything to collect your money for. Anybody that tells you put $100 to trade, before they take 0.01, if a small drawdown on a big account now, it wipes off your money. Do you understand? So, but we have trained our EA and our traders that with at least $200, we can do risk management. The ideal amount is $1,000. Do you understand? The people that we have been doing it with is $1,000 that they put in. With $1,000, we can manage. Risk management is very, very easy. But with $200, it makes it a little bit challenging. See, take it to the bank. Go to anybody and go and tell them what I'm saying. I'm talking from the grounds of a professional. Over 8 years in this industry, and I know what I'm talking about. Somebody say, hey, I flipped $100 to $200. I traded $30. I traded with $30. I made it 1,000. Do you know how many years it has been there? Don't let them deceive you. All right. So please, for now, minimum funding of your trading account is what? $200. pay to this, not me. I'm not sure Coca-Cola is not going to give you an account. Richvision does not even have an account to give you. You are paying money to the broker. Fund your account with $200, all right? Now, number two, at the end of June, which is our trial period, what we are doing now is like a trial period for those of you that want to do our beta test with us. So we have seen our result. I've shown you the result, but we want you to taste it yourself and see how it is. So, and this one, I encourage those of you that we want to show other people. It's good you taste it so that you can show other people, all right? So, but okay. In case you said, but I'm not willing to go through the learning process. Can't I just do the copy trading alone? No. We don't want only to feed you. You must learn it. If you don't want to learn it, give it to your pikin. Once you pay your subscription, you can give your daughter, your son, learn. While you face the copy and the marketing, give somebody to learn. The reason why we are doing this copy trade is mainly because of the academy. It's not just to come and do an investment. People go and make money. No. It's not. We will not be doing you good. We will not be helping you. We will not be helping you. This thing is targeted at youth, mainly. In fact, we said if anybody above the age of 40 will not qualify for this thing before, but we now look at the situation of Nigeria because we need to empower people. And copy trade is not empowering. To copy somebody now empowering me that. Copy trade is not empowering, but to assist while you are learning. Do you understand? So everybody, to be able to copy our account from the month of July, you need to sign up. But from today, Madam Nkechi, if you want copy for free, copy on today. You go make some money from next listing. All right. Thank you. I have tried it before, but it is too cumbersome for me. That's why I say, you don't need it. Give it to your pikin, give it to your friend, give it to your sister. So you will be copying. Do you understand? Once you just subscribe, once you have subscribed, the education aspect, give it to somebody. But it's after 1 year that you two you'll be paying for people to go and learn. Do you understand? So that is that. All right. Is there any question again? What is the conversion of $200 in Naira now? Wow, I don't have that. I know as at this morning, dollar was going for about 760. But then if you go on the site of the brokers, I think they can help you. There's the amount there. Let me give you, okay, it's 762. 762 as an wonderful Nigeria. Thank God for the life of Emefiele. That man, Emefiele, thank God for his life. 762 naira. All right. So now let's look at this. This is what, for you to do your registration. Let me share the screen. Let's share the screen. You are going to get a link. Oh, okay, sorry. All right. Now, look at this. You are going to get a link. The link that will be sent to you, once you click on it, you will see this form like this. Fill in, leave it as individual, put in your first name, your last name, your active email, then your date of birth. Please, no, don't say, me, I know they like to tell people my age. If you put nonsense, you won't get money. Put your real age there, your date of birth, your phone number. Once you are putting the phone number, put it whatever like this. You understand? Then your house address, fill everything. Then I have read and acknowledged this. I agree. If you don't agree, they're not going to carry you. I agree on the bonus. Now, the bonus that we are doing now presently is this. Not we, the broker. For everyone that registers, they are giving them $30. $30. So if you put in your $200 now, they will give you additional 30. So your money becomes $230. Don't go and pay 170 and say they will make the balance. Your own is $200. $200 minimum deposit. They now make it 230. So your money grows from there. So when you click that, click I'm not a robot, and then you click sign up. Now, when you get to the payment aspect, it's going to be giving you options for whether you want to do the bank transfer. I'm going to be dropping a number that when you've done your stuff, where you can call if there are issues. Don't call Richvision. Richvision, we are not the brokers. Let brokers do their own business. Do you understand? Now, say, what will the class look like? Will it be weekly, and how many days in the week? Oh, thank you, Mr. Okon. The video, you are going to paste, it is paced for you. And because you have the access, if you want to rush the training, you can rush the training, but it is paced for you. Do you understand? So it will tell you module 1, module 2, module 3. You go according to the modules once you are done. If you want to repeat a previously watched one, you can always repeat it. But one thing I want to tell you is this. It is, when you say the core of FX training, that's what you are going to get in that stuff. Do you understand? Can the lectures be downloadable, or is it on the site that you will be learning? Madam Okechi, it's on the site. If you download the material, you market don't finish now. Everybody will just download and be spreading it on the internet now. You understand? So it is not downloadable, it's on the site, but you can do it at your own pace. Do you understand? All right. So I hope we get that. So now, for those of us that want to start, you want to start it now, you are going to, in the group chat, I'm going to send you the link. If I put it here now, I'm not sure you'll be able to copy it properly so that you don't make a mistake. When we do it, please do, if you want to help yourself with it, try as much as possible. Fund it. I want you to benefit. I want you free trading, no profit sharing between now and the ending of this month. So today is 12th. Before 30th, you will make money. You will make money. I'm serious. Free of charge. Free of charge. I'm telling you, by the grace of God, you will make money. You will make money. The accounts that we connected yesterday, I know what, we connected on Friday. I know what I'm seeing there. You will make money. Alone. Don't mention that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I am not seeing any other question here again. Okay. Oh, beautiful. I see one. Thank you very much, Mr. Silas. He said, how long will Richvision trade for us before we take over? Now, please, Silas, God bless you. I forgot this thing. Let me give you this. How long will Richvision trade for you before you take over? Let's look at this. I want you to see this. See, our idea behind this thing is this. Where is this thing? Okay, all right. Now, Sam, look at this. This is the idea here. If you fund your account with $1,000, by the time you are with Richvision and you have gone through the academy, you know, there's no pressure that, I want to make money, and then you go and collect your money and then you lose it. You know, this thing is trading for you while you are attending the academy. What we want to encourage you is this. Don't go and bring money from anywhere again that you want to fund your account. Once you have grown your account and your account has grown. Look at this $1,000. It has grown to maybe $1,003. You can withdraw $300 from here and fund your own account while you leave this investment to continue. Because one thing is this, your experience cannot be matched with the experience of the people that are already trading. So, and you don't want to say you want to fund your account with so why this is part of the reason why we did this. So here, after you have funded your account, maybe it takes you 6 months, let's say 3 months, 6 months to understand this thing, and you are able to trade your demo account properly. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 months is how many months? How many days? That's about 90 days. Let's count this day from the day you started. Count like 90 days. Count like 90 days to this place. See, your $1,000 account will be, okay, it's not going to be 5,009 because let's remove the profit sharing and everything. So let's say the money is going to be like 4,000 something. From this 4,000, you can easily remove 5,000, 500, 1,000, and open another. Open what? Another, not the same investment account. Open another trading account to begin to do your own self-trading. I hope that answers your question, sir. I hope that answers your question. Okay. Can one start at the end of the month? Yes, you start at the end of the month. You can start at the end of the month, but that time this free trial period will be over. You just do your registration, $100 registration, and then by that time, at least we even have seen testimonies of people that joined us in this one. How would I be monitoring my account? You will see it in your back office. You'll be seeing it live. You will see it in your, what they call it, in your, there's the Richvision Academy, because you're going to have this website, the Richvision Academy site. We have that Richvision Academy site now, although we are not allowing people to go in now. That site, if you, those of you that want to use, is there. So we are still making some tidy up and things. So, but that's going to be at the other end. So you'll be able to monitor your account. All right. Okay. Okay, that's the Kechi user. Do market trades on weekends or only weekdays? It's only weekdays, sir. There is the crypto market that trades in the weekend, but the FX market closes by Friday. It opens on Sunday night, and trades till Saturday. Okay, Danjuma, hello, good evening. God bless you. You're welcome. Bola who said post the recording. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long time. It's been a long one. So I'm going to post the link for you to do the registration. We are on the test mode. We're still going to be having this expository because some people are not getting it. So maybe on Tuesday. Oh, today is Monday, Tuesday. No, on Wednesday, sorry. On Wednesday. Because Tuesday or Wednesday, you are going to see the notifications. We are going to have the training again for people that are joining. There are some new persons that are joining the group. We need to just show them, at least so that many as possible can take care of this free bonanza period. We are trading for you free of charge. You are not giving us your money. Put the money with the broker. We do it. We help you. What if there's a need for me to withdraw your investment capital? Withdraw. But what we are always advised is that if you want to make a withdrawal, make it towards the weekend when there's no active trade going on. But if the trade is going on and you want to take it, there's nobody saying you shouldn't take anything. You can withdraw it. You can anytime. There's no, if you withdraw, but the thing is this, the minimum balance, once we see that your minimum balance is less than 200, you will even blow your account. Because if we have drawdowns and you're having $100, we won't be held responsible for that. If somebody says, they say we should fund with 200, I fund with 200, and later I will remove 100, I will leave 100 there and things. When we take risk and things, if it affects you, boom, it's now your local. It's not our own. It's not our own doing. We've told you what it takes for us to have profitable trades. and minimum of $200 is going to keep our risk money. We are more keen on protecting the capital. Capital protection is one of our key words there. All right. So what's the institution offering the trading education? Is it IML? IML is not IML. It is Richvision Academy. Richvision. So you are going to be seeing the academy on your Richvision back end. You will log into your Richvision Academy back end. And if I tell you go to Richvision Academy now, if you go to Richvision Academy to go and register now, you will pay the $100. You will pay the $100 now. But because we want to do this free trial now, just register with a broker, fund your account, we connect your account with our account, and then you enjoy the free bonanza. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this, so I'm going to drop the link in the group so that those of you that want to do the registration and do the funding, let's get you connected ASAP. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big thank you. I don't know, is Mr. Michael Udo here? Is Michael Udo here? I don't think so. Mr. Bola, I'm going to drop the link of the broker in the group chat. So if you are not in the group chat, let me know. Send me a message if you are not in the group chat, all right? If you are not in the group chat, send me that link. We sent a message to all our groups, and we told you to click and join. If you didn't join, okay, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It's been a time overshot. Thank you very much. Let the conversation continue. Please get started now. Get started now. Get this free money. They know the best person pass this one. It's your friend and partner, Olushola Popola. See you on Wednesday. Keep the conversation going in the group chat. Let's rock and roll. It is time for you to raise. Get your pay raise with Richvision Academy and Raise FX. Thank you. God bless you. Have a wonderful night.